have sweaty palms and usually feel nervous with low energy? You might have consumed foods that trigger anxiety. About 40 million Americans suffer from an anxiety disorder. Certain foods can trigger anxiety, so look down your plate for what to eat to avoid. Take a look at the foods that trigger anxiety and what you can eat instead to help you eat more healthily. It might be worth it to look at your plate to see what triggers your body. 1. Caffeine. Coffee and black tea make it more difficult to fall asleep and to stay asleep. Even a modest amount of caffeine can contribute to anxiety. According to the National Coffee Association, 62% of Americans drink coffee every day, and the average daily volume is just over 3 cups per day. Yet our favorite morning routine can do more harm than good. High levels of caffeine can not only raise anxiety and nervousness, but also reduce the body's feel-good chemical serotonin production, causing depressed mood. Usually, low-dose caffeine is safe. 2. Alcohol. Alcohol can have a negative impact on hydration and sleep. When the alcohol wears off, you may feel even more anxious. Drinking in moderation is safe, as long as your doctor gives you the okay. If you like the flavor, but don't need the side effects, consider non-alcoholic beer. Alcohol is a depressant, and depresses the working order of the central nervous system. The nervous system is responsible for thinking, understanding, reasoning, and controlling motor function. It also controls how we process emotions. If cut back on drinking, you may be amazed by what happens to your body when you give up alcohol. 3. High sodium foods. Excess sodium can disturb aspects of your neurology system. It can also cause fatigue with your immune system response. Like many foods on this list, salt can contribute to weight gain, resulting in a negative body image and depression. 4. Fermented and cultured foods. Histamine is a neurotransmitter that increases digestion, hormones, cardiovascular and nervous systems. It can cause anxiety and insomnia in sensitive individuals. To minimize histamine intolerance, always choose fresh whole foods. Look for a packed on date for meat and fish. Soy is packed with trypsin and protease inhibitors, enzymes that make digestion of protein difficult. Soy is also high in copper, a mineral that is linked to anxious behavior. 5. High sugar foods. There is no way to avoid sugar 100% of the time, as it naturally occurs in many of the foods we love to eat, such as fruit. Added sugar, however, contributes to overall anxiety. Consuming large amounts of processed sugar can give rise to feelings of worry, irritability, and sadness. Foods that fall into the category of added sugar that you should consider avoiding or minimizing don't all look like desserts. Condiments such as ketchup, some salad dressings, pasta and white bread can all contain high levels of added sugar. Stevia, erythritol and Yukon syrup are natural sugar substitutes. Fill your plate with fruit and naturally sweet vegetables, like sweet potatoes. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.